Hello everyone and welcome to PostgreSQL Crash Course Day 5. This is your host Mohan. I hope you are doing well. And this is my WhatsApp number displayed on the screen if you want to get connected over WhatsApp and if you want to get added into the group, feel free to ping me on WhatsApp. So today we are going to install PostgreSQL on Windows system or Windows OS. Please make sure you have at least 2 GB of RAM in your Windows system and you don't have any other application or software installed which is taking a lot of CPU and memory or resources. So with this, first we will download the PostgreSQL from Google. So for that, you can go to Google and you can click write download PostgreSQL on Windows. And the second option, if you select, it will route you to the another website. And here you can click on Windows because we are selecting Windows for these sessions. And here are multiple other options where you can install or download. Install those PostgreSQL and downloads. You can download from here itself. Okay, you can go to Windows and here you can see this download the installer. Once you click here, it will route to this website. And here, first option is this the latest version, that is 17.5, and you need to click on this Windows x86-64. Once you click here, your download will start. I have already downloaded this PostgreSQL in my system, so I will just cancel it. It is just to show you how you can download it. Once you download, it will look like this, and in this you need to double click and it will display the options or the window. This is setup window. You just need to click next, and here I have already installed PostgreSQL. That's why I can not these are options are disabled for me. But for you, if you have not installed PostgreSQL, all the options will be enabled. I will say don't select this option, select stack builder, because this is not needed for these sessions or practice. You can install this PostgreSQL server, which is the PostgreSQL engine. pgAdmin 4 is just like SSMS in SQL Server. It is just a GUI tool to access PostgreSQL databases or cluster. And this command line tool will be a command line tool. This will be installed with this. Please make sure you just so whenever you install this for the first time, it will ask for the password as well. Please make sure to write down that password or to remember that password, because that password will be needed in when you try to connect to the PostgreSQL. So just you need to click next, and it will be installed. Once the installation is done, you can see a few of the applications here. You can click here and you can write pgAdmin. So this is pgAdmin tool, just like SSMS. Once you open it, it will look like this. So look and feel is kind of like SSMS only, because but and many options which you can see here or similar options are available in SSMS as well. So this is the tool where we uh, connect by which we connect to the PostgreSQL. And there is another tool, command line tool, that is called psql. This is also get installed when you install PostgreSQL and you check that option, and you need to click enter, enter, enter. But here as of now it is not started, so it will not work. I will show you later on, maybe in next sessions, how you can connect to the PostgreSQL. So before that, there are a few important things which you need to do. So if I go here and if I write here cmd, and if I write one command pg_ctl status, just to check the status, it is saying like pgctl is not recognized as an internal or external command, because we have to set the environment variable before running that command. So once this is installed, you will see this folder called Postgres under program files, and under Postgres you have this folder called 17, that is a version name. And here you see different folders, so you need to click on data. And you can also start the cmd from here itself. Just click cmd and cmd will be open. Here again, if you run the same command, it is saying it is not recognized as an internal or external command. So just to avoid this error, what you need to do, you just copy this path of a bin folder, and you just go to this PC or my computer, go to properties, and you will see this advanced system setting, or even you can search environment variable here, and you need to select this one. Or maybe you can go to advanced system setting, you will see this environment variable. You can go to path here and just click on edit, and here you just click on new and paste that path. So after pasting, click OK, and after that click on new, and here write pg data and paste this value again, the path, but here the name of the folder will be data. Okay, click here, click OK, and click OK. So now we have set the environment variable. Now if I will go to the data folder, and if I click and write cmd here, and now if I will run that command pg_ctl status, it is showing me the result that no server is running, right? And even if I go to cmd from here, and if I will run that pg_ctl status, it will again give the same result, right? So before in setting up the environment variable, these commands may not work for you, will not work for you. So make sure that you set the environment variable before, I mean, just after installing the PostgreSQL in your system. Right. So every time when you connect to the PostgreSQL, want to connect to the PostgreSQL, you need to start that particular server. So here, or particular cluster. So this pg_ctl status is a command that is used to check the status. There is a longer form also of this pg_ctl -d, then this double quotes, and then put the folder name as, I mean, you need to keep the path for the data folder, and you need to click on status. So again, the same result. So we will not put all those again and again. That's why we have set the environment variable. So now we can run commands directly. So there is one command called pg_ctl start. Once we enter, and when we run this command, this PostgreSQL server will be installed, started. Okay. Now if I check the status again, it is saying server is running. Right. So once you are done with that, now you can go to this pgAdmin tool, and you can right click here, and you can click on register and server. Give the name as local host, because we are connecting to the local server. If it is a remote one, then we need to give the server name here. And in connection, you can give any name here. I will give prod. Default port will be 5432, and when you install it for the first time, it will display just 5432. So do not change it. Let it be. And this Postgres is the username, and this is the default database. I will explain it later. Password, you need to put the same password which you have given when you have installed this PostgreSQL in your system. Okay, I think I have forgotten the password. Let me try with another one. Sorry, you can give anything like prod. Oh, here you need to give the name as prod, and here you can give the name as localhost. And let me try the password if I am correct. No. Yes. So the password is correct. So so you can see this database is connected, or this cluster I am connected. So ignore this one, because if you connect for the first time, maybe you will not see. So there are other way to connect to PostgreSQL by using the psql. Here again, if you click here psql, it will open the command shell, and here the local host. So either you can write local host, but it is already written, so no need to write this. Click enter. The database will be Postgres by default. Port will be 5432, and username is again Postgres, and it will ask for the password. I will give the password, and here also I will get connected. So this is it for today, and tomorrow I will share the further details. Till that time, enjoy your learning and enjoy your weekend. Thank you so much.